Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be doing a giveaway of a Lockers account. A Lockers account with 7,500 points. Now what is Lockers? Lockers is a site where you can save money on stuff by doing everyday things such as watching videos and answering questions. This is a very great site, and as I've said, I'm going to be giving away an account with 7,500 points. To prove that I actually have this account, here's an image. Now, obviously that's not going to prove it, because I could easily have photoshopped it, but what am I going to do? I do have the account, and I really want to give it to you guys, because I'm not going to use it. So how do you enter this giveaway? Very, very simple. All you do is subscribe to my channel. It's free, and you'll be notified every time I make a new video. Then you have to comment down below, and just comment saying you've entered whatever. It doesn't really matter. Now this giveaway will end when I reach 100 subscribers, if I do reach 100 subscribers. If I don't reach 100 subscribers, then the giveaway is never going to end. So go ahead and like this video as well if you want to help pass it around. You can pass it around yourself, and it will be more likely that this giveaway will end soon. So just go ahead and comment to enter the video, and remember to subscribe. Okay, that has been my giveaway of my Lockers account with 7,500 points. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.